Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make the most delicious beef sauce. I have the beef nicely sliced already. I sliced them thin so they can cook nicely. I'll season with black pepper, season powder, salt, garlic and ginger, cornstarch, oil, soy sauce, honey. You can use sugar instead of honey. Mix together. I'll cover and leave it to marinate for 30 minutes. For vegetables, I'm using bell peppers, habanero peppers, garlic, ginger, carrots, onions, spring onions. I have everything nicely cut and clean. I'll prepare the slurry. In a cup, I'll add water, soy sauce, cornstarch, and stir. Be sure to prepare everything down before you start cooking. In a pan, add a little bit of oil. When it's hot, add the beef, and I'll be stir frying the beef in batches, and I'm cooking it on a medium heat. When this batch is ready, I'll remove it and repeat the process until I am done. Next, in a pan, add a little bit of oil. I'll add some sesame oil as well. When that is hot, add garlic and ginger. Stir, I'll fry it for a minute. Add onions, carrots, and stir fry. The carrots are tougher than the rest of the vegetables. I'll cook it for 2 minutes before I add the rest. And for the vegetables, you cook them on a high heat. Then add the bell peppers. Add habanero pepper and stir fry it for about 2 minutes. I'll add the beef and stir. I'll add the slurry. You stir it before you add it because the cornstarch will settle down. And once you add it, the sauce will start to thicken up. I'll finish it up with the spring onions and stir. At this point, my whole house smells amazing. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on here in my kitchen. The sauce is ready. I'll serve it with rice. Are you going to be giving this recipe a try? If you do, let me know how yours came out. This sauce was super delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.